For example, let's just say I am someone who sleeps 8 hours. I sleep 4 hours in the afternoon, 4 hours at night. Will I have a greater REM at night in comparison to day, or how is it?
It is definitely, because we are talking about the sleep quantity and the sleep architecture.
Okay.
So architecture means it is the slow wave sleep and the rapid eye movement sleep. So the deep sleep also we need equal proportionate amount of REM sleep, that is rapid eye movement, NREM non-rapid eye movement, or the deep sleep, relaxing sleep, and that is that can happen only at night, because the natural secretion of melatonin happens at night between 9 to 11. So the best time to initiate the sleep is between 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. and then add 7 to 8 hours from that time, and then get